This is the air outside your house. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold, and it always wants to get inside. Air's a genius at getting in, through holes in the foundation, cracks in the attic, even places you wouldn't expect, like recessed lighting fixtures. You can't see the problem, but you sure can feel it. In winter, your house is chilly. In summer, it's stuffy. Your heat and AC are working 24/7, which means you're using more energy and spending more money just to keep comfortable. That's no good for you or the planet. But what happens if you keep the air outside? Suddenly your house feels better and uses less energy. New windows won't make this big of a difference, but there's a company that can. Say hello to Sealed, the easiest, most affordable way to make your house more comfortable and efficient. Sealed is for anyone tired of wasting money just to feel uncomfortable. Unruly temperatures? We use air sealing and insulation to keep the outside out. We can also upgrade your heating system. Is Sealed expensive? Nope. We cover your upfront costs. If your energy bills go down after, the savings pay us back. And if you don't save energy, then we don't get paid. Plus, we make the whole process a breeze. Sealed coordinates contractors, equipment, installations, everything. All you have to do is sit back and get comfortable. Do you live in a house? Is it surrounded by air? Then you should talk to Sealed. Sealed partners with the nation's leading energy utilities and top contractors in your area. And we've helped hundreds of homeowners, like Liz in Wappingers Falls. She says Sealed is the single best thing we could have done for our home. Happy to help, Liz. So talk to Sealed today, because when it comes to comfort and efficiency, we're not just full of hot air. Sealed. Make yourself at home.